For today's recipe, Ginisang monggo. Since this is a pre-cooked shrimp, I will cut this in small pieces and set aside. Slice 3 pieces of smoked sausage. Remove moringa leaves from the stem. About 2 cups. Slice tomato. Slice okra into 1/3 pieces. Slice and dice onion. Now let's prepare the mung beans. When the beans are ready, put it in a saucepan. Let it boil for a few minutes, drain the water and bring back to heat. While the water is boiling, take out the soft shells that are floating and set this aside. Now let's cook the rest of the ingredients. Now I added my pre-cooked shrimp. There you have it, Ginisang monggo. Let's eat, guys!